Good morning, students. So we have finished the question answers of chapter 5, and think and answer we are not doing. And moving on, today we will learn the order of adjectives, how to place the adjectives in a sentence if it has more than one adjective. So order should always come in this manner. First, you should always place the number, then the opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin and material. So this is the order. You have to memorize this. You have to remember this order. Look at the examples here. She lives in a lovely, large, white flat. Here the highlighted words are the adjectives. We are describing the flat of her. Okay. So first one is lovely. So lovely is always an opinion. It may be lovely to me. To you it might be not that stylish. Okay. So lovely is always an opinion. Then large. Large means big. So big comes under number 3, which is size. Then comes the white. White represents the color, which is number 6. So you can say here, this is 2, then this is 3, and this is 6. So first comes number 2, 3 and 6. So lovely, large, white, flat. The second one, she bought a smart round leather bag. So we are describing the bag here, which is smart, round and leather. So smart is, it comes under the opinion. Round is the shape. Flat, oval, round, triangular, rectangular, all these comes under shapes. So this is number 5. Leather is the material. So smart here is the opinion. Round is the shape and leather is the material, which is number 8. So this is in order. Let's do this exercise, and I think after this you will be able to do it. So first one is place the adjectives in the correct form and rewrite the phrases. So the words are jumbled. You can see here, wedding, expensive, white gown. It doesn't make any sense. Okay, now first pick the word wedding. Wedding and gown go together. Wedding gown. So here we are describing the wedding gown. Then your words are here, other adjectives are expensive and white. Expensive is the opinion. So it comes under number 2. White is the color, which is number 6. So you will say an expensive. You are using an because there is a vowel sound here. An expensive white wedding gown. Then a detective new brilliant Bengali film. So we are talking about the film here, and what kind of film it is? A detective film. So detective film goes together. Now the remaining 3 adjectives are new, brilliant and Bengali. Here new comes under age. The words like modern, ancient, new, old, they all come under age. So here new is age, which represents number 4. Brilliant is opinion, number 2. Bengali is origin. Origin, you will always find the country names or the language. Okay. So now based on this order you have to place it. Now we will say a, then number 2 is brilliant, new, Bengali, detective film. Third one, Greek ancient fascinating monument. So here first one we have to look if there is any opinion. Fascinating comes under opinion, which is number 2. Then Greek is the origin, number 7. Ancient comes the age. I told you modern, ancient, new, old, all these comes under age, which is 4. and monument is the last word. So it is a fascinating ancient Greek monument. A pair of black walking old shoes. Always remember number comes first. Pair means a pair is 2. So we say a pair of. Now comes our question. This is number 1. Black is the color, which is number 6. Now we are talking about walking shoes. So walking shoes go together. Now old comes under age. So first we have to place a pair of, then comes old black walking shoes. Here walking shoes are the noun. We are describing shoes. What kind of shoes? Walking shoes. So always the noun comes, you can write here, noun is the last word. Red and white elegant Jodhpuri chess set. So here we are talking about the game chess. So chess set comes together. Now we are talking about this one. So chess set is the noun here. Red and white, they come under color. So we write number 6. Then elegant means stylish. So it is the opinion. Jodhpuri will be the origin. So it is number 7. So we'll write an elegant. Here we are using an because there is a vowel sound. Elegant. An elegant. Then red and white Jodhpuri chess set. A mythological Indian well-known story. So here well-known is the opinion. Maybe the movie is known to me. To you, you don't know about the mythological story. So opinion. Well-known is the opinion. Then mythological. Mythological relates to very old, very ancient stories. So old or ancient comes under number 4. Indian is the origin, number 7. So we are talking about the story. It's a noun. So you will write a, then comes well-known, number 1, then mythological Indian story. A flat long wooden plank. So here plank is the noun. So it should come at the end. Flat tells us about the shape. So it is number 5. Long is the size, which is number 3. Long, short, all these words come under size. Then wooden. Wooden is the material. Wooden, leather, all these are called, they come under material. Then plank. Plank is the noun here. So we have to write a long, flat, wooden plank. Then the last one, white dinner plain sets 2. So number should always come first. So 2 is here the number, which is 1. Then white is the color, which is number 6. So here we are talking about dinner sets. So dinner set is the noun here. So these two come together. Then the remaining one is plain. Plain tells us about the shape. Plain, curved, round, all these are under shape. So we will write here 2 plain white dinner sets. Okay, so this is the order. It's not so difficult, but the thing is you have to remember this order whenever you arrange these adjectives in a sentence. Okay, now students, I will send you a video on simple past and past perfect. So complete, after going through the video, read this part and then complete question number 1 and 2, which is about past perfect continuous. Okay, and the last one is a letter. There's a question at the end. Imagine that you are Ranji and you are writing to your friend who lives in another city. Tell him or her about your summer vacation and what you did with your friends Koki and Teju. So imagine yourself as Ranji. Remember the three friends from the story. Imagine yourself as Ranji and you have two friends, Koki and Teju. Now you have to write a letter to another friend who lives in another city about your summer vacation and how did you spend your time with your friends. So first one, you all know, we have to write the address. This should be the sender's address, that means Ranji's address or your address. Then you have to write the date and then salutation like dear and the name of your friend. Then start and explain your summer vacation and your good times with your friends Koki and Teju, and at the end you have to write yours lovingly, your name. Okay, write this, do this in your copy and the remaining will be in your book. Okay, thank you.